Greetings, YouTube, and I hope you well. This is a Silver Top Flyer coming at you from North Georgia. Video I have for you today is the one I promised you a couple of days ago. It's called Morningfame Invite. The Morningfame tool is a tool that's put together by a man by the name of Nico. He's put thousands of hours in on this tool for us to use to optimize our channels. I've got a little screen recording for you I'm gonna put in behind this. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it kicks. Like I said, I'll put an invite down in the description. That way you can go check it out for yourself. So you folks have a good night. Take care of one another. Hey, like I promised, here's the Morningfame keyword tool. I'm going to go ahead and get access to the keyword tool. And what you got here is you go right here and you put in your search term. We're going to say Morningfame. Instead of research tool, since that first result came up, we're going to go ahead and use Morningfame invite code. We'll see where we can get with that. Looks like we got a fairly decent grade. And of course you can go down here and go through these keywords. I've done this already, and I think I've gathered all the keywords to go ahead and move on over. We'll go ahead, just for the sake of the video, we'll go ahead and move on over and move to tab 3. And as you can see, of course, we have a good chance for ranking there in relevance. Go ahead and show the graph on relevance. And we'll go ahead and continue. Like I said, we get a pretty good score out of there. I always like to go back and see if I can possibly boost any of this. It looks like it really can't be boosted, but you can go in and you can say highlight tags. You can say where I've already put that description in. You can see how the blue lines are up underneath the tags showing me they're good tags. You can see right there where it says add these words to your tags, and you're using your tags in your description, which will help boost things up. You can also add hashtags. You can see I've already added all these. I just wanted to show y'all how easy this thing is to use once you understand it. It's going to come with quite a few tutorials and how-tos. Nico has a full channel of how to go through and use his product. Every time you load something up, about 24 hours later, you get an email from Morningfame telling you what it looks like. And of course, you can go through and see videos that you've done before. I highly suggest you check it out. I'm going to go ahead and put a link, an invite link, down below the video.